Morning all. Still in bloody lockdown, but hey, someone's come to the rescue. Mum's rung me up. I'm going to Mum's kitchen again, and she's cooked up some bloody fried stuff. I don't know what it is, but let's go check it out. Mum's made some homemade sausage rolls. Check that out. Beef and pork sausage rolls. Let's try it. Check out the steam coming out of that. There's the chef in the background. She's disappearing again. These are nice, Mum. I love sausage rolls. Mum used phyllo pastry to cook these. They've come out pretty bloody good, actually. Yum. She's made two types, beef and pork. Yum. Well, that wasn't authentic Sri Lankan cooking. That was authentic Aussie. Oi, oi, oi! Sausage rolls from Mum's place. Yeah, look, they were tasty. Till next time, guys. Stay safe. Take care of each other. And, look forward to seeing you again. Ciao for now.